How are you, Sumit?
कड़क कड़क बहुत यार बहुत बढ़िया यार यू टेल मी हाउ यू सच अ प्लेजर टू हियर फ्रॉम यू I've heard you on the radio for all this while and to finally see you is pretty awesome. It's really nice. Correct.
आपने कैसे सोचा कि क्रिकेट को जो रिलीजन है इंडिया में उसमें एक्सपर्ट बना जाए और एक पॉडकास्ट चालू किया जाए?
Brother, you're being very kind by calling me an expert, but I don't think I really am an expert. A lot of people will be watching this, be wondering, अरे ये कौन है जो expert बोल रहे खुद को? But anyway,
Okay.
I'm just going to give you a brief introduction about this. So I began just like anyone else as a failed cricketer. Again, इंडिया में हजारों लाखों बच्चे रोज पैदा होते हैं और माँ बाप सोचते हैं या बच्चे सोचते हैं मैं एक क्रिकेटर बनूंगा. And it was the same for me.
Okay.
I'm born and bred in Goa, South Goa. So yeah, I made
Wow.
my way up and played a little cricket for Goa till about the under 14 level, the under 16 level, and then you know what happens. The same thing. I had an injury, and competition was so much that I couldn't take it ahead. लेकिन बात वही है ब्रो मतलब at the end of the day life is very interesting yeah like throughout school I was horrible at everything except English
Okay,
so
nice.
I feel that you know I can match the two things that I'm decent at which is cricket and my knowledge for language put it together
Language.
and see what happens.
दिन 2011 का वर्ल्ड कप आप कहाँ थे जब फाइनल्स चल रहा था
2000
तो आप कहाँ थे?
हाँ 2011 का वर्ल्ड कप wow 9 years ago time flies by I was sitting in my
Yes.
living room watching it with my father
हाँ.
and then हुआ ऐसा था कि obviously after what MS did you know which shook up the
हाँ.
world
World.
you know we went out on the roads and I think उस रात तो सभी लोग रोड पे थे right सब
रोड
लोग
पे थे
रोड
रोड
पे
पे थे
I
हाँ.
was on the road with my friends. We were on top of an open van, driving around, you know, this town called Margao, where I stay in South Goa, waving the flag,
Okay.
singing "Chak De India." गला फट गया था "Chak De India" गा करके,
Yes.
and it was insane.
I don't think that it's a coincidence that in World Cup 2011 finals, the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, leaves. This is one shot as the entertainment industry watches. Sachin Tendulkar leaves, Virat Kohli enters. What do you have to tell about this movement? Because actually 2011 के बाद सचिन तेंदुलकर का साथ धीरे धीरे छूटता गया and विराट कोहली का ये full power साथ जुड़ता गया. धोनी everyone is there. But what do you think about this movement जब वानखेड़े में 2011 में सचिन की हुई exit और विराट कोहली की हुई entry?
Life moves on. Simple. That's just what it is. If you believe in the process, right? If you believe in the process that you've set, Indian cricket has a very good process which it has set. There is a National Cricket Academy now with the greatest Mr. Rahul Dravid at the helm of affairs. No better person than you know that person to look after youngsters, you know, to come. There's great effort being put into scouting. If you remember,
I'm telling you.
MS Dhoni was picked out of a newfound. So basically, when MS was picked, there was a new strategy that was put to get kids from you know the tier 2 tier 3 cities क्योंकि they realized कि वहां के जो बच्चे हैं उनको exposure नहीं मिलता है so that was introduced you know and then you know and that's how we got MS otherwise you never know he might have just ended up playing domestic and we could have lost the greatest cricketer of this century.
आपकी पॉडकास्ट इज वन मोर लेवल अबाउ देन दिस कि आप यू टॉक अबाउट हाउ पीपल इन द मैनेजमेंट आर हाउ पीपल यू हैव अ पॉडकास्ट जिसमें आपने डिप्रेशन के बारे में बात किया हाउ यू डेल्ट विद इट एंड यू गॉट अ स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजिस्ट इन द एथ एपिसोड सो ये पॉडकास्ट एक्चुअली करना क्या चाहता है व्हाट डज इट एम टू डू?
You know, I'll tell you, Roshan, the thing is when you spend time in sport, right, you realize that there are a lot of people जो आप देखते हैं ना टीवी पे उसके पीछे बहुत लोगों का हाथ होता है एंड दे वर्क टायरलेसली all the time and they're absolute geniuses in their own right.
Yes.
You know, and also there are many other facets to you know the cricketers as well and these people also.
Moving on to the podcast दिवस जिसके लिए मैंने आपको बुलाया है रोशंस रैपिड फायर बिकॉज रेडियो में हम जब भी इंफॉर्मेशन लेते हैं तो साथ में एंटरटेनमेंट भी देते हैं. We are playing Roshan's Rapid Fire with Sumit. We are celebrating podcast Divas. So let's go for it.
Yeah, let's go for it.
5 things in mind. जितने भी लोग अभी हमको देख रहे हैं, they want to create a podcast or they want to understand a podcast medium. 5 things in mind that Sumit keeps in his mind while creating a podcast.
While creating a podcast, I think एक चीज बहुत जरूरी है कि you have a structure. But however, very important in that structure is to let creativity flow. तो क्या हो जाता है, in a lot of people they say, you know, script बनाओ, structure करो, ये ऐसा वो वैसा. But at the end of the day, it's about expression. It's about, you know, talking about who you are and what do you believe in, what's your passion. For you, the way, you know, your passion is storytelling and meeting people and interacting with people. It's the same with me as well, but maybe in a slightly different capacity. So that is important, you know.
यही मेरा next question है कि 4 जुगाड़ या 4 नुस्खे जो आपने पॉडकास्ट में लगाए हैं.
बहुत कुछ. द पहला नुस्खा, इसको नुस्खा नहीं कह सकते, बट आई हैव मैनेज्ड टू टेल माय मॉम टू कीप क्वाइट फॉर 1 hour. दूसरा, टीवी को चुप कराओ. पहले घर में जो भी चल रहा है, अप्लायंसेस, टीवी, जो भी है, पहले उनको चुप कराओ. व्हेन यू आर रिकॉर्डिंग इन एनी रूम, you need to seal that because वहां से बहुत आवाजें आती है. So I've sealed that part in my bedroom.
Moving on to the next question that is related to cricket. Teen memories. अगर सुमित को as a cricket fan, as a cricket enthusiast, as a cricket का जो knowledge रखता है, 3 moments.
So Ayaz Memon जो है, you know, journalist, उन्होंने बहुत ही aptly मुझे एक बार बताया था कि, you know, that is the best ODI innings that he has ever seen. Ever.
Okay.
Matlab, he's been around for 40 years plus watching cricket. And if someone like that says, then that innings has to be incredible because it changed the perception of ODI cricket. Going forward, I think the way India won in 2001 versus Australia in India, Harbhajan Singh's hat-trick in Kolkata, Eden Gardens, that series showed the world that, you know, these guys cannot be taken for granted. कि आप इंडिया को चुप नहीं बिठा सकते, आप इंडिया को डोमिनेट नहीं कर सकते.
Third match, if you had to talk about,
this is tough because, you know, I'm tempted to say 2003 World Cup when Sachin smashed Akhtar, Waqar and Wasim 98.
So Roshan's rapid fire में next question है 2 things that is हटके about your podcast. Till the time you give that answer, I'll recollect the question that I wanted to ask.
Done. Okay, so the number one hatke thing is, yeah, there are a lot of these Pakao cricket podcasts which talk about this one straight drive, that one square cut, ye ball, ye swing, ye aisa, ye vaisa. So my whole objective of this show is to give something to people which is entertaining, number one, that is the priority. The commentator's role is to tell the story beyond what's happening. Beyond, you know, where has that person come from? Why does he behave like this? Why is he aggressive? Why is she not, you know, why is she so focused? How is she so good? So this is, you know, this is where my effort is to keep it as hatke as possible from the general norm of cricket coverage.
So last question in my Roshan's rapid fire is, one thing this podcast journey has taught you.
Very interesting question and really appreciate it. It's taught me patience. I think a lot of content creators out there, a lot of brands out there, a lot of platforms out there don't lack patience and lack conviction. तो आप एक आइडिया के साथ उतरते हो मैदान में, you know, saying that I want to talk about this, this is what I believe in, and this is good. You need to be patient with your content.
And thank you, Sumit, for accepting this invitation. Thank you so much for giving us all the love for cricket, talking about your experience.